Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder, fuel-injected sport bike just arrived here with only 5,700 miles. Come on by, check it out. It's got a fender eliminator. Really cool metallic white paint scheme. Come on by, make your sport bike dreams come true. This really cool Ninja 650, only $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.